Hey folks, looking for a cool Valentine's gift for your favorite pimple popper? Then maybe it's time you order a deluxe 7-piece extractor kit with a cool leather case. That's right, pimple popper tools are all the rage, and cooler than the other side of the pillow. So what are you waiting for? Act now and get it before the holiday. Besides, popping zits with your fingers is for Neanderthals. So don't be a troglodyte. Pop like a pro. Pick up a fantastic set of pimple popper tools for your friends and loved ones. If you use Amazon Prime, it'll be there before you know it. Pop one today.